Hello, this is Anna Marie Carr with R505 from Indiana University, and I'm going to walk you through this great website today that I found. It's called edpuzzle.com, and this is a great website for using videos and modifying the videos and adding different modifications, questions, and different voice, audio, and text to videos to personalize them for your class's needs. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial. Follow me along. I think you'll really enjoy this website. The first thing you want to do is just enter this website, edpuzzle.com. It will take you to the main screen, and you're going to go ahead and click sign up button. It's very quick and easy to sign up, and I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in as a teacher. And I signed in with my Google account because I like easy. And once you sign in with your Google account, that's all you have to do is click and go. I don't even have to type my password, and I'm there. Here I am, Anna Marie Carr, logged in to Edpuzzle, excuse me. Now to get started, when you first get started, this is the home page. You can go ahead and set up your profile and add a lot of interesting stuff. The way I choose a good website to use for me, my criteria is easy, go in and create so that I can use it today or tomorrow with my kids. So I don't know everything about Edpuzzle, but I am learning about it. There are some additional features here that I won't be talking about because I just haven't learned them quite yet, but I will show you what I've learned so far. Videos are pretty easy to create, so once you begin, you can click on My Content. Now once you get started and you've created some videos, this is where you will find them. I chose to look for videos that had some place value. That's what I was interested in finding. So if I want to create a new video, all I do is come up here to the side and click Create New Video. Now this is the part that I loved the most about this website, because within the website there are already a bunch of videos already set up with questions and different things. They've been modified, and I found some that I really liked. So what I did is I just went up here to search. You can search through Edpuzzle's website. That's where I found a lot of good examples. You can also go through YouTube, National Geographic, use any of these to find videos of your choice. Or if you know a video, you can just paste it in. So I typed in place value, and I found two really good ones. And once I've clicked on them, they show up as mine, so I can find them right away. I found two that I really liked and that I could be able to use in my classroom. So all I did to use them, when you click on a new video that you haven't chosen, you can either save it or click on it to use it. You can also preview the video quickly by clicking on the arrow, and it takes you through the quick video. Now, I've already chosen those two, so I'm going to choose a new one so that I can show you the different features that this website provides. So I've looked at this one already, and it's a pretty cool one. I'm working with second graders, and we're just kind of now introducing the thousands, so I'm going to try to use this one. And when I click on a video that I haven't used yet, it takes me to a new screen with the tools at the top of the page. Now the first tool is pretty self-explanatory. It's the crop tool. If you click on the crop tool, which is clicked on now, I can either erase part of the beginning, crop the beginning, or if maybe I want the beginning, but something's on the end that drags on and on and on, and I want to stop it, I can stop it wherever I'd like in the video. So while the video's playing, you can crop it and stop it, make it shorter, or watch the whole thing. It's up to you. The next button is the audio track. When I click on the audio track button, it produces the microphone icon down here at the bottom. So while the video is playing in the play mode, of course we have to wait for the ads. While the video is playing,
how does the placement of a digit determine its value in a number? For example, what is the value of 4 in 34,766?
I can stop the video and move. Actually, I can click on the microphone, sorry. I want to always allow the microphone, so I'm going to click that in order to use the tool. I forgot that step. So instead of the voice that's reading the video, I can actually use my own voice to talk over the text of the video if I choose to do that. That way my students are hearing me instead of an unknown person talking to them about our content. The next feature that I thought was pretty cool are the audio notes. I can play a video, and then wherever I'd like to stop and add a note of my own, or just a thought that I'm having, or if I want the students to think about something there, I can slide this. When it comes on, it will follow along with the movie, and when I click on it, I can add the text. This is probably my favorite feature, is the quizzes tool. As we're watching the video, when I'm ready to ask my class a question and add a quiz.
How does the placement of a digit determine its value in a number? For example, what is the value of 4 in 34,766? In this lesson, you will learn about place value with larger numbers by using a place value chart and arrow cards. Let's review. Our numerical system is made up of 10 digits, 0 through 9.
Actually, I think the question tool is better shown in a video that I've already saved. So I'm going to go back in just a minute and show you how I've used the question video in a video that I've already saved and used. After you have finished editing the video and adding the tools that you'd like to add, you'll be clicking this button to show that you are done. When you're done, it's going to prompt you to give your video a new title. You can do that, select a new language. You can add some more information if that helps you to remember what the video is all about, and then you can save and exit. Now, when you save, it automatically takes you to the assignment creation. I have already set up my class, and I'll go back and show you how to do that. But once you've got the class set up, it's very easy to do. You just select your class. That's me, Mrs. Carr's second grade. And I'd like to prevent skipping. I don't want my kids just to skip through to the questions without watching the video. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click Save. Now, after I save that and I've created and modified the video, I can give this code to my students. And when they log on to the site through the student code, they can enter this and it will take them straight to their assignment. Right now, my students have 2 assignments. This one says no students. Let's see. Let's go back. Not sure why it didn't assign. Let's try this again. We've saved it. And Miss Carr's class. Save the assignment. And let's see. This is Carr's class. I'm not sure why this one is saying no students. View it as a student. I can remove the assignment, which really I think I will remove this one because this is the one that I really want them to do. So as you can tell, I'm just learning through this tutorial as we go. I'm going to go ahead and remove that one. Am I sure? Yes. Because this is the one I really want my kiddos to do. This is the one I really watched and put my own questions on. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I think if I go to click on the video, it will show, of course my students haven't actually done this yet, but when they do, it will show, it'll give me their report based on the questions that we've added. It will tell me a percentage of students who are getting the questions correctly. It'll show me students who have watched and what their grades are. So I hope this tutorial at least will get you started working back on taking these videos in Edpuzzle, making them your own really by creating questions and using this tool for assessment in the classroom. Like I promised, I'm going to go back and show you how to add your class. Since mine was already set up, it took me straight to it. So after you have created your content, created your new video, you can add a class from here, add a new assignment here or a new project. You can also go here once you've got it all set up, and you can see that I have my class set up over here. I've titled it, and as so far no students have signed up for my class, and that's just because I have not actually run this through and done it with my students. When I do, it will show this code for them that they can use to go in and line up. So if I needed to edit my class information, I can do that. If I wanted to delete this class and start up for next year, I could do that. Of course, if you have multiple classes, you could do that. I'm going to hit the back button. And I hope this has answered some of the quick questions that you have about getting started in edpuzzle. I'm not an expert. I'm still learning. I think sometimes too, as we even go through, we learn new things about programs we're even very familiar with. So hopefully this will help you get started. I really enjoyed the most just really being able to borrow all of these lessons and videos and getting started. There was a great bank of those to choose from. So thanks for your help. I hope it was a helpful video for you, and I hope you can assess your students with edpuzzle soon.